Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will go over the steps to drafting a deposition subpoena to a non-party witness. This is also part of the discovery phase. Please watch the whole video to the end as there is a lot of very important information that you must note. As you may know, a deposition is oral examination or questioning of a witness under oath. The party taking the deposition must give the required notice in writing. Please check your state rules. Set the deposition during discovery. Serve it early enough and allow plenty of time to fix any issues that may arise. So the first thing you will do is open a copy of your disclosures as well as opposing parties' disclosures and ask your attorney if he needs to depose any of the witnesses listed in those disclosures. To set the deposition of a non-party witness, select a date that gives the parties enough time. You will then draft a notice of intent first. You will also draft, so there's two documents that you will draft, the notice of intent and the deposition subpoena, which you will attach to the notice of intent. The notice of intent must be served to all parties at least 14 days before the scheduled deposition, giving them enough time to object. In this video, we will go over both documents together. Okay, the first document will be the notice of intent. Add your attorney's name and law firm to the top here of the first page. Include the names of the parties. Make sure you have the correct court. Add the case number and department number. This is a very simple one-page notice of intent, and it basically informs the attorneys that your firm intends to serve the attached deposition subpoena. Date it, add your attorney's name, and complete the certificate of service. Fill in all the blanks. Add your name to the line prior to serving it. The next document is the deposition subpoena. Again, complete the caption. The first section is addressed to the witness, so add the witness name and address. The first paragraph of this deposition subpoena informs the parties of the date and time of the deposition, as well as the location. Note that if the deposition will be done by video, you may delete the address and include the link and password here. Okay, the second paragraph notifies the witness that they are entitled to witness fees and mileage. The third paragraph notifies the witness that their attendance is required. And the last paragraph informs the witness that Exhibit A is attached, which is basically information regarding the rights of the person subject to the subpoena. Date it and sign your attorney's name again. Attach Exhibit A, insert the rule number. Read this exhibit and see if it applies to this case. Complete the certificate of service again and sign your name on the line. And this is basically it for these two documents. And some final notes. Calendar the date to serve the deposition subpoena. Usually it is served 7 to 14 days after the notice of intent. If no objections are made, serve the actual deposition subpoena by itself. Remember to schedule the court reporter. If the deposition will be by video, request a link and password from the court reporter and add those to the deposition subpoena. You must then arrange personal service to the witness and include a check for the witness fee and mileage. If you must cancel a deposition, it must be done 24 hours before the deposition to avoid cancellation fees. Remember to calendar all dates. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions or any comments. I appreciate that. In the next video, we will go over setting the deposition.